Hi everybody, I'm here at Hillside Service Station, and at Hillside Service Station they let me use their shop. So since they let me use the shop, I'm going to do brakes on this thing. So this thing is Toyota Matrix from Maid Brigade that they gave to us for our project. Have to do brakes. Everything here is fine, you know, just old from sitting too long. These brakes, they look like they were relatively good, but rust. Same thing as the wheel. Doesn't want to come off. Yuck. Alright, you get my point. These are the caliper brackets. No matter what, no matter when, you have to always maintain these pins. See, they're kind of difficult. This one is easier. So I'm gonna take them out, clean them, and re-lubricate. Free brush, huh? Yeah, see? Almost dry. Okay, the caliper bracket is clean and lubricated. How to put it in. What am I doing? What about the rotor? My friend showed me this one trick. You lift the rubber up. It's all the dirt in there. You stick the tube in there. Underneath the rubber. And you spray it. Of course, it's better if it's extended a little bit. today we're gonna do wheels, different wheels for this car. I don't know why it's making this weird noise. Something is there, not tight. I'll fix that later. Anyway, new wheels. So Oscar's gonna do the job partially with me. So let's get to it.
You want to make sure it's on play. It's in place.
What, the lift?
Yeah.
I don't know. Did you set it up?
It's
Okay, so let's just check this one. This side. No, I don't think so.
Yeah. Bigger size.
Okay. Now let's see if this wheel is gonna come off easy.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. Hopefully. Now. Yep. Try that one. If not, we'll go. No. No. Have to go heavier. I got this matrix and I need this tail light, and then I have this matrix. It's the one that we have a project going on with, and I have this tail light that I don't need. So we're gonna take these tail lights and put them on that one. Oscar here is fighting the window, which doesn't wanna stay in its place. Got a new track, now trying to install the motor the right way. There's many ways to put that motor. If you put it wrong, the window won't close all the way or open all the way.
No, it closes. I mean, it opens, it goes like close.
Well, that's what I said, you know, depends on the position. Oh yes, one more thing. This window right here, these things, they come loose. Sorry, these things, they come loose. and then you screw it. So I decided that we're gonna do a little bit of some improvements here with the Matrix. What kind of improvements? This is original mirror. It was manual. Okay? Manual mirror. Take it off, and then you get power mirror. See, the wires right here. You put power mirrors on both sides of the car. The wiring is still there in the car, no matter what trim it came with. Then you put this thing. It's the button to control these mirrors, to set them up. You plug them in. You use your dimming switch from the car that came originally, and you have power mirrors in your car. In case you guys didn't know, the basic model came with manual mirrors. So I'll show you how to adjust the passenger side if you don't have that the power mirror option. So you get in the car, la 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 la. See, nothing here. So you need to adjust the mirror. So you look in the mirror. Oh, let me get to it. You really need to lean. Yeah, it's. And then you adjust it up and down and around, and you know, sometimes you have to bang it, you see? It gets stuck a little bit. So then you sit back, you look in front, you look in the side. Is it adjusted? I don't know. So yeah. So that's an option that you can improve in your older Matrix. All right, so all we need to do is put 3 bolts in there, and that's it. And connect the wire to existing harness. Okay. All right, and put the cover in. Now you have to put a different cover in. There's 2. One comes with a speaker hole, one comes without speaker hole, like solid. But we'll get to the speaker topic some other time. Yes, that could be, the sound system can be slightly improved as well. Now let's change the buttons. All right, so to take these out, you have to put that down, and you know how to unhook it? Then you have to lift it up, pull it up, pull it up. Okay, now lower it. Okay, now stick your hand in there and try to push that all the way up. If you can, try to push that out. Can you reach it?
Yeah.
Pull it with the other hand. All right, now unhook it. What you need to do is you need to get that dimmer switch out and then put it in here. Okay, put the dimmer switch in there. I think it's the other way. Okay, now connect all the wires. Make sure there's another connector somewhere there. It might be taped a little bit. Yeah, so connect that, connect dimmer connector into a dimmer. And put that in there. All right, put those buttons back in there. And we have power mirrors now. Just pull it. It's getting stuck from all the dirt and stuff. All right. All right, and then put the red one that's on the roof of the car. this is how it looks, but then we have to do it a better picture during the day. Some people might like it, some people might not.